Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you for being here today. I appreciate your time. Today we are turning biscuits or cookies into a cake. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's begin by making custard. In a pan, place cornstarch, sugar, and stir until there are no lumps. Stir in milk, a quarter measure, stirring until there are no lumps. Add the rest of the milk and stir. In a bowl, separate the eggs. You may freeze the egg whites for another recipe. Add in to the milk mixture the egg yolks and stir until they disappear. Add vanilla extract or essence and mix. We are doing all this without heat for now. Take the pan to the stove and cook on medium heat, stirring constantly until the custard thickens. A warm welcome to you, my first time viewer. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Once the custard starts to thicken, stir rapidly, and when it starts bubbling, take it off the heat. Add cold butter and stir until it disappears. Reason for cold butter so that oil doesn't sit on top of the custard. Look at how smooth and luxurious it is. You may either put it through a sieve or just cool it without straining it. Cover the custard with a cling wrap, making sure that the wrap touches the custard. Set it aside. Let's make chocolate sauce. In a pan, place sugar, cornstarch, unsweetened cocoa powder, and stir until there are no lumps. We are doing this with the stove off. Add milk and stir and put on the heat, medium to low heat. Cook until it thickens, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Once the sauce is ready, it should coat the back of the metal spoon. That would mean it has thickened. You may take it off the heat. You may stir at that point the chocolate and the butter and stir until they both disappear. You may touch close the sauce with a cling wrap as we have done with the custard. Let's assemble the cake. Stir the custard and put it in a piping bag, or if you don't have a piping bag, you may use a spoon to fill the cookies. Cover a baking pan with a cling wrap. Pipe the custard on the cookies to make a sandwich. Place the cookie sandwiches into the baking pan and continue until all the cookies or biscuits are done. Fill in the empty cookie gaps and pour the chocolate sauce until there is no space to pour in. Tap the baking pan and set it in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours or overnight. Here I was popping the bubbles or air particles. Please press the like button and leave a comment below about this recipe. At this point, I can simply say, no one can say I cannot make a cake. It's this simple and straightforward. Look at how soft, fluffy and delicious it is. You may add the leftover sauce. I hope you will enjoy this beauty. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.